see their children go out of school, finish the education cycle. But that is possible when we are alive. I like it with our Muslim brothers. They don't say death. When you mention death, they don't say God forbid, because they know that we shall die. What they don't know is when we shall die. So the fact that you know that death is mandatory, it is a must, but you don't know the timing, then it makes sense to plan for these little ones once you have brought them on earth. To put aside money into an insurance cover. What Yasin was talking about, the education cover, small money monthly, small money quarterly, and they put in place a plan that will take care of the little ones in case God calls you before they have finished school. But the beauty with this, again, for our listeners, is that even when you don't die, because that would be the question, I have saved this money over the years, I have not died. If you have not died and the 5 years are over that you signed, or the 10 years, or the 15 years, then the insurance company will pick all this money collected together and give it to you. You may choose to invest in the education up front, or you may even choose to buy land and build a house for them as you prepare for their future. So what do you insure? Anything that you value. Footballers insure their legs. If you know that it is your right leg which brings you money, you insure it, because when you don't have it, then your earning potential is gone. Musicians insure their voices. In Europe, they do. So what that means is that if anything brings you money, if your money is coming from poultry, like my colleagues will be speaking short laughter. If your money is coming from coffee, if your money is coming from sugarcane, I see a lot of sugarcane in this part of the country, then why don't you insure them? Because you know that in as much as you are going to be responsible, there are certain risks that will surely remain, and should they happen, then you may have to go back to the village if you are not already in the village.
Thank you.
For this side could be having security guards. If you have hired a security guard and the security guard doesn't kill any thief, you pay salary or not? You don't. But you have a security guard. Maybe, you know, a security guard gives you peace of mind. You can leave this radio, you go home, come back tomorrow. He will not have even chased a dog.
Then you have to pay.
But you have peace that actually you go to sleep. You can only sleep because you know you are secure. There is somebody at the gate. So just like the same way insurance works. If I'm driving my car and it's comprehensively insured, if I have insured my plantation and it's comprehensively insured, then I sleep assured that even when there is a storm, I don't commit suicide. Just imagine you have a bank loan, you have invested in a maize plantation, 40 acres, and there is a serious hailstone. Won't you commit suicide?
Definitely.
Now insurance has given you that peace of mind that actually even when the hailstone has come, you are covered. So that's why the money will actually not be returned, because you have consumed the peace of mind. That's what you buy. In insurance, you buy